Hello, I hope everyone is having a great day. My name is Tiziana and welcome to my channel. I have nothing on my nails right now, but before I start with making my nails, I want to show you all the products I'm going to use for this nail art. And after, I'll just start painting my nails. So I'll see you at the end of the video. I will be using my Born Pretty stamper and my Born Pretty card.
I see the light inside your eyes. You make me feel like I'm awake. I don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. You get me high. Oh yeah. Be by my side. Baby, yeah. Only you can save me. Only you can save me. I hold you tight to blow my mind like a bottle of wine. I'm insane. I can't love you and drive me wild when I kiss you at night. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. Falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. You get me high. Oh yeah. Be by my side. Baby, yeah. Only you can save me. Only you can save me. You get me high. Oh yeah. Be by my side. Baby, yeah. Only you can save me. Only you can save
So you gotta let this dry and then make 2 or 3 layers. But now I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna let this first layer dry. So now I have given them 2 coats and I think it will be enough. So this polish, I found it in, if you know the shops Tiger, I found it in a Tiger shop. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply essence, and this polish, well, I already wrote it in the start of the video. Now I'm gonna put the top coat. This is the finished nails. I hope you liked my tutorial. Remember to subscribe if you're not a subscriber for more nail videos. And if you like my nails, hit the thumbs up button. And I'll see you next time. Bye!